ashes to proclaim His matchless word. Though men reject Him, as a long shall reign supreme at last. All His enemies shall wither like the grass. He will be exalted to the highest place. Every eye shall see Him and behold His face. To the mighty throne of Jesus, Jesus, all our worship we will bring and proclaim Him Lord of Lords and King of Kings, King of Kings, King of Kings, King of Kings, King of Kings. In a world full of broken dreams, where the truth is hard to find, for every promise that is kept, there are many left behind. Though it seems that nobody cares, it still matters what you do. 'Cause there's a difference you can make, but the choice is up to you. Will you be the one to answer to His call? And will you stand when those around you fall? Will you be the one to take His light into a darkened world? Tell me, will you be the one?
Though sometimes it's hard to know who is right and what is wrong. Where are you supposed to stand when a battle lies at
There's a voice that keeps calling out for someone who's not afraid to be a beacon in the night to a world that's lost its way. Will you be the one to answer to His call? And will you stand when those around you fall? Will you be the one to take His life into a dark